Are you happy? Do you want to be happy? We all want happiness. But where do we find it? A blessed Monday, my dear friends. This is Vanny Ocampo. Welcome to Pathways of Hope. Our gospel today is from Matthew chapter 5, verses 1 to 12. This gospel points us to the blueprint for happiness. It is called the Beatitudes. The word beatitude comes from the Latin word beatus, which means happy. At one point, we may have heard already this word beatitude, but very few of us understand that if we actually live out these words, we could live a happy, blessed, and fulfilled life. Allow me to read to you the Good News translation of verses 3 to 12. And as you listen, I pray that you will hear it attentively and prayerfully and allow the Word of God to minister to you. Happy are those who know they are spiritually poor. The kingdom of heaven belongs to them. Happy are those who mourn. God will comfort them. Happy are those who are humble. They will receive what God has promised. Happy are those whose greatest desire is to do what God requires. God will satisfy them fully. Happy are those who are merciful to others. God will be merciful to them. Happy are the pure in heart. They will see God. Happy are those who work for peace. God will call them His children. Happy are those who are persecuted because they do what God requires. The kingdom of heaven belongs to them. Happy are you when people insult you and persecute you and tell all kinds of evil lies against you because you are my followers. Be happy and glad, for a great reward is kept for you in heaven. This sermon, these sayings from Jesus outlines for us what it means to be happy. In most translations of the Bible, the word happy is replaced with the word blessed. We will be blessed if we live out these teachings of Jesus. Pope Benedict XVI said, happiness is something we all want, but one of the great tragedies in this life is that so many people never find it because they look for it in the wrong places. The key to it is very simple. True happiness is to be found in God. We need to have the courage to place our deepest hopes in God alone, not in money, in a career, in worldly success, or in our relationship with others, but in God. True happiness, my dear friend, comes from loving God and serving others, especially the least among us. I pray that after listening to this short reflection, you will make time to explore each of the Beatitudes, 8, 9 sayings, and that you will dive a bit more deeply into what Jesus is teaching us through them. Do you have family and friends who are looking for happiness in the wrong places. Be a hope giver and a digital missionary by clicking the share button. Thank you for sharing the good news. God bless you.